How to create Binance account create. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can create a Binance account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now to basically create a Binance account, it's actually quite very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Binance application that you would be able to find here, and then just tap on the any options that you prefer here. After you do this, you're going to come to this page where you can simply choose to tap the sign up button here. All you have to do is simply make sure to enter your entity name, tap on the next option to finish creating your account. Or what you can do is just tap and continue with Google, and you'll be successfully logged in with your Google account or sign up using your Google account. This way you can create Binance account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.